Hello children, welcome to Avalon Public School at home. I hope you all are fine at home and doing well. Children, in previous class we learned about a chapter 7 that was human environment, settlement, transport and communication. In that I told you about settlement, types of settlement, transport and modes of transport, types of ways and communication and types of communication also. So in this class we are going to start a new chapter with chapter 8, human environment interactions, and today's topic is Amazon basin and climate. Okay children, so before starting this chapter let's learn some good habits. Children, we all should do exercise regularly because exercise makes our body fit and fine healthy. It is very necessary to everyone, even our parents and grandparents. It is not for only children, it is for all that we all should do exercise regularly. It makes our bones and muscles strong and healthy. Children, in this time, everybody is very busy. So we all should take out at least 15 minutes every day for ourselves to make us healthy physically and mentally both. Children, make a habit to do exercise regularly. Now let's come on our topic, the Amazon basin. So the Amazon basin is home to one of the largest rainforest in the world. Okay, now let's see. So here you can see that here is the main river and tributaries the branches of the main river that cross river basin. Now let's find out where the Amazon river is located. Okay children. Now come to, it's located in the northeastern region of South America. Okay, northeastern region of the South America. If you will see, it's situated in the South America and you can see here in the that Amazon river, that Amazon jungle. Okay children. So lies in the equatorial region between the 10-degree north and 10-degree south latitudes. Okay children, so due to its hot and humid climate throughout the year, and this hot and humid climate, it receives very heavy rainfall almost every day. Okay children, so the river Amazon flows through this region, and the place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. And numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and small part of Venezuela. Okay, children? As I told you, the Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both day and nights are almost equally hot and humid, and the skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day, that too without much warning. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. At night, the temperature goes down, but the humidity remains high. Okay, children? So now revise this concept and try to complete exercise related to this concept. We'll meet in next session of this chapter. Till then, be good. and take care of yourself.